Hi, how to change background in Zoom without green screen? For this, enter in Settings. In Settings we need Background and Filters, and then we have Backgrounds. And we see our device requires a green screen to support virtual backgrounds. But we have this button, I have a green screen. Tap this and our backgrounds become enabled. And we can choose our backgrounds. Moreover, we can add our background from any picture. Tap plus and then choose our picture. That's all. But if you have changed background from meeting, we enter in meeting, then tap meeting information, and then tap settings. And in settings we enter background and filters and change our background. That's all. Now you know how to change background without green screen. If you have any questions, you can write me in comments. See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.